Hey, this is Mike with the Grill Cleaning Pro. Hey, got a question for you. Do you make mistakes in your business? And if so, how much are those mistakes costing you? So we're all going to make mistakes. Mistakes happen. It's kind of unavoidable. You can't be in business without making some sort of mistake. Sometimes they're boneheaded. Sometimes they're unintentional. Whatever the case is, we're going to have mistakes. So example here. This is a lid for a Weber Genesis, and you can see all that burn there. My tech did a inspection on a grill a few weeks back, and well, he did a boneheaded mistake. He forgot to turn the burner off before he closed the lid. So I had to replace the lid and the little grate here, and it cost me $100 for those two pieces. And you might be thinking, it's only $100. But the reality is that there is a cost, and the cost in this case is $100 for the parts, but there's a true cost to the bottom line of the business that is going to cost your business. So there's an equation that will tell you what your true cost of a mistake is to your bottom line, because the customer isn't going to pay you for these mistakes, these parts. They're not paying you. So you've already been paid for the job. You've got to take the cost out of your bottom line, so out of your checkbook, essentially your bank account. And so the equation that you're going to use is you're going to take your profit, your profit percent. If you make 25% profit, 35, whatever that number is. With grill cleaning, we tend to have a higher profit margin. So say it's 25, 35, whatever that number is for you. Take the parts, in this case 100, divided by your profit margin, 20%. So in other words, you've got to basically make up $500 additional revenue over and above what you currently are making to pay yourself back for that $100 mistake. So what are mistakes costing your business? In this case, it's 5 times more than what the actual part is. Now that's not including my labor, my time that it took to find the parts, my labor to go and do the repair, even though it was less than 15 minutes, is in and out pretty quickly, but there is a cost there. So if you have a tech go do it, then you got to take into account for their hourly rate, insurance, overhead, all that kind of stuff. So that mistake can cost your business heavily. So anyways, let your techs know. Let your techs know that, hey, even though it's $100 mistake, that's really truly costing my business $500, and I've got to now make that money back. I got to put that money back in the bank, and there you go. How much are mistakes truly costing your business? I bet you if you really dive in and look at that number for yourself, you might find that when you're asking yourself, where did the money go? There you go. Take care.